Okay, hey everybody. I've lost my voice and my house is a mess, so what better time to make a video? Here's what we got. Here's my little Lappy, and it's talking through that Bluetooth device through processing. Now, I have this square. The diagonals are meaningless to the code. It's just so you can see, as the user, where the quadrants are. This is a virtual joystick. This quadrant is forward, reverse, left, and right. Now, this processing code is basically just spitting out two numbers between 1 and 255 on one axis and the same on the other axis. Those numbers are then crunched and translated into pulse wave modulation frequencies to run the motors. So here's what we got on this end, and that's a Blue Smurf Bluetooth receiver, and it's getting the two numbers, the XY numbers, and sending them to one of the Picaxe chips, this one right here in particular. And this is what we have got. I don't know how I'm going to tape this, but if I point on this side, that's going to be a right spin. So when I click, we get a right spin. If I click over here, we get a left spin. Now, distance from center is speed. So if I click here, we'll get a very slow turn. And when I click out to the edge, we get a fast turn. So there you go. I'll post my processing code and the Picaxe code and show you what's going on. There you go. Ding, Bluetooth.